Hi everyone, my name is Chris Quintana. Today I will be talking about a product and the product life cycle of that product. The Green Machine was created in about 1970s by the Huffy Company. Here are the product descriptions and the marketing strategies of the Green Machine. Here we look at their website. They have different options and even women's color now. The intentions of the Green Machine in the 1970s was to attract the younger market as a toy invented by the Marx Toys back then. The Green Machine was a toy invented by the Marx Company specifically for the boys. Today they have a hot pink future for young ladies to enjoy the great toy as well. The brand sells their product at hardware stores, toy stores, supercenters, and other places. This is an advantage over other toys because it is unusual to see many toys in a Home Depot or any other store of that nature. In the growth stage, Huffy created a market that was Green Machine and uniquely because there was no other comparable bike toy in the market. They were different by the products and sleek style they had for this bike. The competition for the Green Machine was very slim. The other bike was a Big Wheel, a substitute but didn't offer the great qualities of a Green Machine. The Huffy Green Machine saw great years, but today there are electric options and toys that interest the consumer. Some characteristics like electric powered and increased speed will always attract the consumer. Now I'll show advertisement from Mark's Toys in 1978.
This is the Green Machine. Green Machine. 8, 9, 10 years old enough for Green Machine. A racer for guys who like a ride that's really fast. Stick shift controls, swivel action rear wheels, twist, turn, and spin like wild. Green Machine. What a ride! Green Machine with stick shift steering, some assembly required. Green Machine by Marx.
And that concludes my presentation for today. Here are my references.